The freshness of your grocery substitutions depends less on the app you choose, and more on who is selecting the items, what instructions you leave, and how your local store manages inventory. That's why two customers using the same service can have completely different experiences. By the end of this video, you'll know how Walmart Grocery and Instacart handle substitutions, which service is more likely to match your preferences, and how to improve your chances of receiving fresh replacement items in 2026. Here's the direct answer. Neither service can guarantee fresher substitutions every time. Walmart Grocery and Instacart both rely on available inventory at the store where your order is being picked. The biggest difference is often the amount of control you have over substitution preferences and how carefully your shopper follows them. Let's start with Walmart Grocery. If an item is unavailable, you can typically allow substitutions, reject substitutions, or specify your preferences when placing the order. The replacement options are limited by what's currently in stock at the Walmart location fulfilling your order. If fresh produce arrives that morning, substitutions may be excellent. If inventory is limited, your choices may also be limited. Instacart works with many different grocery retailers, so your experience can vary depending on the store you select. During shopping, shoppers may communicate through the app about unavailable items and possible replacements. That can be helpful if you want to approve substitutions while the order is being picked instead of waiting until delivery. Here's where shoppers often make a mistake. They leave every substitution setting on automatic. That increases the chance of receiving an item that technically matches your order, but isn't what you actually wanted. Spending one extra minute reviewing substitution preferences before checkout can make a noticeable difference. Take Alex as an example. He orders fruit, vegetables, and dairy products every week. Instead of accepting any replacement, he specifies preferred brands and turns off substitutions for products where freshness matters most. That gives the shopper clearer instructions and reduces unwanted replacements. Now consider John, who mainly orders packaged groceries and household essentials. He's comfortable with similar brands, so allowing substitutions helps avoid missing items without affecting his overall order very much. Before placing your next grocery order, review your cart carefully. Approve substitutions only for products you're flexible about. For fresh meat, seafood, produce, or specialty items, consider choosing no substitution if quality is your highest priority. Also check replacement notifications while your order is being shopped whenever possible. The bottom line is simple. Walmart Grocery and Instacart can both provide good substitutions, but neither consistently delivers fresher replacements in every market. Your local store, available inventory, and the substitution preferences you set usually have the biggest impact on the final order. If this comparison helped you, like the video, subscribe, and check out our other grocery delivery comparisons.